Transmission is under the car, going pretty smooth. Getting ready now to start fastening the transmission to the bell housing or torque tube, and post a little bit more later. Transmission is up in place. A couple of bolts in the torque tube so far. Everything's going good. Get rest of the bolts in the torque tube, and then we'll go for the differential. Alright, transmission's installed. My RPM differential is installed. I think I'll call it a night, or I can have something to do tomorrow. I don't want to do it all tonight. Alright, later.